A little pile of weed clean out done, but still have a long way to go. Oh, oh, I hate cleaning these beds of the weeds. It's a constant job, but we gotta keep it going. Gotta get those weeds out from taking energy away from the plants that we're trying to grow. Come on, Peppers, grow now. No more weeds. Tired of these weeds. Weeds everywhere. Oh, all of this rain that has come down in this area. Just making the grass and the weeds just continue to grow bigger and bigger. Oh, Lord, this is the main thing I hate. Cleaning up these garden beds. Getting these weeds out of here. You clean it out and then the next week they can come back. Okay. Come on. Get all of these weeds out of this garden bed. Messing with my peppers. Got one pepper growing now. Look at you. I see you. See you, Pepper. Come on. Come on, get bigger. Come on, Peppers. Oh, all the weeds in the bed. Stay away, weeds. I'm tired of cleaning up this garden bed with weeds. Oh. What can I do to keep them away? Oh, boy. A garden, work duty all the time. Cleaning the weeds out the beds. Okay. That's a little bit better. Oh, but I still have a long way to go. Okay, come on, weeds. Stay away out of my garden. Come on, pepper plants. Yeah, I gotta grow. Took some of the weeds from around you.